guys, press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Fashion.
Florals are one print that are often perceived to be heavy or busy, but that's not true at all. In fact, it comes in all sort of colors and variations, be it bold, soft, dark or micro florals. And trust me, they are so much fun to style. So today I'm going to show you how you can style this print differently. The easiest way to incorporate floral in your wardrobe is with a sundress, soft yet vibrant print. And you can always balance out the look by pairing it with modern accessories like a sling bag and a nice pair of earrings. If you're not a big fan of print overall, then you can opt for a nice flowy floral skirt and team it up with a cool graphic tee or white shirt. It will give a break to your print. Also, small details like pleats and ruffles will only help you elevate an otherwise casual street look. Incorporate this trend into your athleisure look with ease. Just pair your trouser and top with an interesting floral bomber, which will only help you elevate this look to glamorous new heights. While you're picking an outfit for night out, maybe give your LBD a rest this time. Instead, pick something in dark florals. Look for some interesting details like peplum hemlines and bell cuff. Go all out disco like I have and make sure you have fun with it. There's always a new and interesting way to style these pieces from your wardrobe. Just don't be afraid to experiment. Let me know what you thought about this video in the comment section below, and please head over to POPxo Shop where you can shop some cool mugs, phone covers, laptop covers and a lot more. The link is in the description below, so go crazy shopping. And for more fashion tips and tricks, keep watching POPxo Fashion.